Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. And if you'd be so kind as to leave me a comment, it helps the video out a ton. All right, let's get on this. This is, coming at you today, Chicken Jambalaya, and it's not as hard as you may think. What I have here over a medium-low heat is about 4 tablespoons of butter that I've melted up, and to that I've added 2/3 of a cup of celery, a half a cup of chopped onion, and a half a cup of green bell pepper. And I'm basically just going to saute this for about 5 minutes till the onions are nice and translucent and everything is nice and soft and wonderful and happy. Okay, then you want to add 2 14.5-ounce cans of chopped tomatoes that I've drained. Give this a nice stir around, and I let this go for a couple more minutes. And then you want to add roughly about 4 cups of chicken breasts that have been cooked and cubed up. Then you want to add our spice mix, which is 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, a teaspoon of garlic salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then about a teaspoon of hot sauce I put in there. Then you want 1 1/3 cup of white rice. And then fill in with about 3 cups of chicken broth. If for whatever reason this is not as liquidy as to your liking, go ahead and add another cup of chicken broth. But I like the consistency this gave. Then you want to give this a stir around. Mix everything up. Bring this to a boil. You want to crank the heat up on high. Bring this to a boil. Once it's at a boil, you want to crank it all the way down to low, cover, and simmer for roughly 20 to 40 minutes. Just depends on how done you like your rice. And once it's kind of simmering, you want to add 2 bay leaves. And just before serving, remove the bay leaves. All right, let's get to serving. All right, then to serve it, you just want to put it in a little bowl, top it off with some hot sauce, and that's really that. So that's Chicken Jambalaya. Done.